Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to increase dedicated video memory in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Intel. Create new key named as GMM under Intel. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as dedicated segment size. Change value data is displayed on screen. Close and restart system. Click Start, Settings, click Display. Click Advanced Display, click Display Adapter Properties. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.